awkward filming area, but my tripod is somewhere and I can't find it. But I wanted to quickly show you guys a haul that I got from Home Sense. Look how cute. Okay, my camera died. I am back. Okay, so the other thing I found was this potpourri, kind of like cranberry colored and holiday cider. Dollies for the girls. I thought these were adorable, and they have little Santa sweaters and plaid skirts. I just thought the girls would adore those. And then I got 2 of these for my office because you guys know I do pink and silver in there. I thought this was beautiful. It's a little expensive, but I thought it was just really nice for our kitchen. So I did end up getting it. And then I also got this peppermint square garland. That would be really cute. I want to see this actually. Oh, that is really nice. Look at that. I think that'll be so nice on our tree. Let me know in the comments what you guys are planning on doing for theme, like what colors. I really like it because we do traditional in our living room, red, green, gold, and then in my bonus room we do like the girls tree, which is the white one with like the pink, and then I think I'll do like the same sort of theme in my office. But I love the traditional colors. It's my favorite. There was the other one. So there's 2. I actually got this for Chantel. Just had her baby boy, so I thought this would be really cute, and it says baby's first Christmas. Okay. Then you guys know I love my nutcrackers. I have so many from last year, but I saw this one and it had like the big jewel, which I thought was really cute. This would go perfectly in my office, so it's bigger than the ones I typically have, so I'm happy about that. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. This candle holder, look at that. It has like the wood on the bottom here, and there's like reindeers and trees, and it's so festive, and I love it. So I was really happy about the haul today. And this. Sorry if I'm being quick. I'm like, Ryan went to go get the girls and I have to cook soon. But I wanted to film and show you guys this. You know I love anything Victorian print, so I thought this would be really nice to put like Christmas photos in. Yeah, and it was really, really pretty. Maybe in my office or something. Or I could put it in the kitchen after, actually. Okay. Last thing here, this was on sale for 10 bucks, and I was like, why not? This would be a really cute little, I can even probably put the potpourri in there in the kitchen. So yeah, that is my holiday haul. And I know it's a little early. Oh, did I show you the snowman? I think I showed you the snowman first, but I got that for me and Sophia because I thought it'd be really cute, and they love snowman. So yeah, it's not a huge haul, but I do have a lot of Christmas decor from last year, so I didn't really need this stuff, but I think it's so exciting when you buy new stuff for Christmas, and I'm just such a Christmas junkie and holiday junkie, so I had to get a few things. Let me know when you guys are planning to start decorating. We actually, I think, are gonna clean the house this weekend, then I'll start to like do decorating videos and maybe a cleaning video. Maybe I'll film that after this. But yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys everything that I found. Okay, I forgot to show you guys this really nice emerald green throw, which I thought would be really cozy for our couch. Max will probably like this a lot. And then this is just all the bins I have from like last year. We've got like lots of gold, lots of reindeers. You guys kind of remember my holiday decor. These are for my office, and I love my gold. I knew I was gonna do gold again. We've got stockings, reindeers, so yeah. I'm so excited to start decorating. Okay, I might as well film for a minute and fill you guys in. So I'm doing, oh, I'm not focused. I'm doing a little video right now because you guys I asked you like to pick out my outfit for my birthday. So I thought I could do our wedding anniversary since it's this weekend. We have a babysitter coming tomorrow. We're gonna go for a date night, and we are celebrating our 5 years wedding anniversary. Oh, and this is my wedding glass actually. I think my girlfriend Rena got that. Can you guys even see it? It says Mrs. My girlfriend Rena got those for our wedding gift. Okay. Not the best at opening champagne, but beanies, where did Ryan put them? I don't know where they are. My girlfriends at Wolf Fan Collective just launched, found a, so you know the beanies I always wear and the girls wear? They came out with ones for your man, look at that. So there's the gray and then the black. First, I wanted to do a little giveaway with you guys. You know I love doing them in all my videos. So I have the last vlog giveaway winner in the description. So all you guys have to do for this giveaway, and I'm giving away my beige M&S mini bag, and these are so cute for Christmas. So yeah, one lucky winner will get the beige, and all you guys have to do is let me know what theme you're doing for Christmas, like for your decorations. And that's all you guys have to do in the comments. Good morning. Got my coffee, making breakfast for the girls and getting them ready for school. It is a very cold morning. Mia, what are we watching? What are we watching, Mia? Mia! What are we watching?
Oh, Minion.
Minion. And it is freezing outside. Oh my goodness, so much snow. Look at that, it's a winter cold wonderland. Eek. Got the fireplace on too. As you guys can see, I cleared off the entire island, so today I am going to start decorating. I thought I would do that with you guys. I have to clean my closet and also my office, and then I thought I'd do the kitchen with you. But I put out like a few things, not much. Sorry, it's a little dark right now. It's like very early in the morning. We got one of the new bowls that I got, which I cannot believe this was 10 bucks. What a good deal. And then I'm really obsessed with this like candle holder. It's just, oh, it's probably one of the prettiest things we picked up. And then also this, I have one like this that was for summertime, and I'm like obsessed with just like the look of it. I love the vase, and it's just, oh, it's so pretty for Christmas. You're singing. Is that your snowman? Oh, you're dancing with Mr. Snowman. Okay, we've got hot chocolate with marshmallows. Are you excited?
I want the side one.
Okay, so not fully finished yet, but I wanted to quickly show you guys the tree and what I did. I posted like a little reel on Instagram, but I switched the color theme this year. So I wanted to do like a candy cane kind of theme, so like white, red, and then I did gold last year, but I thought I would do gold in my office with pink. So that's what I'm gonna be working on next, and then I'll show you guys that once it's done. But I think it turned out really nice, and I really do like silver with red, which I have never done that color combo yet, so we'll see in that. So put Max's little bed here, and we usually put like a blanket on it by the fire, and he like loves it with the little elves. I put a few photos of the girls out from like previous Christmases. We have the new nutcracker that I got. Stockings, I usually hang them up here, but I do it like on Christmas Day just because I get a little nervous with like heavier stockings. And I haven't finished the mantle. I definitely am gonna do it in the next video. I wanted to add like ornaments and stuff to it. Okay, so quickly to show you guys my kitchen. I haven't finished it, but I thought I would show you guys what I've done so far. I still have like a ton of decor that's on our dining room table that I have to kind of figure out. And I did place like some gold things where I'm gonna take those out as well because we're not doing gold in the kitchen. We're gonna do silver. I love these candy canes so much. I found them from like a Christmas store. I forget the name of it, but I'm gonna try to find more of them. Candle holder. I have the cutest little photo frame here of the girls when they were with Santa. Look at their little faces. So in my next video, I will show you guys more decor once I finish, and then also the office once it's done. And I haven't brought out like the Christmas pillows and stuff yet, so I still have to do that. And yeah. I'm really, what do you think of the tree, Soso? It's beautiful? Who's that? Santa. A lot of these ornaments are ones that I picked out with the girls. So we've got really cute ones here. This one, what else? They did this one at school last year, and then we also have icicles. I'm a huge fan of like the really big ornaments, so I got a ton of these. Sorry, it's really loud, but I got a ton of these last year from that Christmas store, and these were really expensive, but they just look so nice on the tree. And then the flowers, which I really think fill in this space, is nice, especially because this one doesn't have the fake snow like we had last year, so it was a lot harder to fill. Then we have the big snowflakes, we've got the candy canes. I kind of want to get more of these. And then what else do we have? Yes, this one I think was from Indigo. There's a little coffee that says our first home. And there is that like little garland that I got from HomeSense. Kind of just put it up the top there, which looks nice. Oh, and then Sophia's ornaments up there. And then I did this for our like entry area, but I didn't finish it, so I have to remove some of those things, and then I'll probably decorate it in my next video. And then dining room is not done, so these are the ones that I have for the mantle, which were from last year, I think from Urban Barn, but they're really heavy, so I have to be careful. Hi, Mia. And then right here, I think I got that from Canadian Tire, I can't remember. And then we just have more reindeers and other things that I have to decorate. So I think this will be like a two-part video because it's gonna take me a while, and then I'll show you my office quickly. Okay, definitely not done. This is gonna take me a while. Watch out, please, watch out. So we've got a ton of these big gold flowers that I have to put on the tree, and I think that's why I wanted to go with pink and gold. I think pink and gold go very nice together, and then silver just really went with red. So I haven't finished this yet, but once it's done I will show you guys. I haven't put like all the pink ornaments on here, but this is kind of like a Mia Sophia tree that I wanted to do, and I just think it's really fun and festive for my office. And like I have so much stuff everywhere. Like, look at all this. Once I finish, I will do a little tour video for you guys. There's just stuff everywhere in here right now, like stock and yeah. Okay, and then over here, I have this gold marble tray, but I might move it and put something silver here. I have the white tree, and I think, oh, and then over here, just got like a little Merry Christmas. So in my next holiday vlog, I'll show you guys the office, and then we do have a tree upstairs, but I'm not getting to that one yet. But I hope you guys have an awesome weekend, and I will see you guys in my next video.